Hi, good afternoon to one and all. Coming to myself, my name is Udayit. I have 16 years of experience in IT field, and as well as I have a very good experience in campus recruitment training. In today's class, I'm going to teach you about aptitude and reasoning. First of all, I'm going to teach you about number system. First of all, I'm going to teach you about number system. Okay, first of all, I am going to teach you about number system. What is meant by number system? In Hindu Arabic system, we have 10 digits, namely in Hindu Arabic system, we have 10 digits, namely what are those digits? 0, 1, 2, and so on up to 9. Okay, these are the 10 digits. See, a number, what is meant by number? A number is denoted as a group of digits. A number is denoted as a group of digits. A number is denoted as a group of digits called numeral. Okay, to denote a numeral, what we need? We use the place value chart. We use the place value chart. Okay, what is meant by place value? That I will tell you later. Okay, see, suppose I have a value called 52367. Okay, 7 is nothing but it is in units place. It is nothing but a 1. Okay, it is nothing but a 10. It is nothing but a 100. It is nothing but a 1000. It is nothing but a 10,000. Okay, like this we will call number in place value chart. Okay, the the five numerals shown, how we will call 52,367, like that we will call. Okay, next we have face value and place value. What is meant by face value and what is meant by place value, we will see. Okay, face value of a digit face value of a digit in a numeral face value of digit in numeral face value of a digit in numeral is its own value. That means at whatever place it may be, okay, its own value. Suppose I will show you an example. If in a numeral I have a value 6872. What is the face value of 2? Means what you will say? Face value of 2 is what? See, face value of a digit in a numeral is its own value. What is the face value of 2? Its own value. Then face value of 2 is 2 only. Okay, next face value of 7. Face value of 7. What is the face value of 7? Is 7 only. Okay, next what is the face value of 8? 8 only. What is the face value of 6? 6 only. Okay, what is the place value? See, place value means its own value. What is the place value? You will see. Place value is different and face value is different. Place value of one's digit. Place value of one's digit. What is the one's digit? Tell me. One's digit means here what? This is nothing but ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Place value of one's digit means what? Tell me. Ones digit into 1. Ones digit into ones digit into ones digit into 1. Okay. Next, place value of tens digit means what? Place value of tens digit. Tens digit means what? Tens digit into tens digit into what? Tens digit into 10. Okay. Like that, place value of hundreds. Hundreds digit what? Into 100. See, one digit means units place actually. Here units place is 2. Okay. One digit into 1 you have to write in. 7 is in tens place. So tens digit into 10. Next, 8 is in hundreds place. So 8 into 100 like that. Next, 6 is in thousands place. So 6 into 1000 like that, and so on you are going to return. See, I will tell you one example. Then tell me what is the place value. Face value means its own value. Face value of 2 means 2 only. Face value of 7 means 7 only. Face value of 8 means 8 only. Face value of 6 means 6 only. But place value is different. In unit place, it is called as ones, it is tens, it is hundreds, it is thousands. Okay. Next, you will see. So what is the see? I have a numeral 70984. This is the numeral. Okay, numeral is nothing but what? Number. A number is denoted as group of digits known as numeral. This is nothing but a number. Okay. See, what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4. What it is here? Tell me. Place value of 4 is what? 4 into, that is ones place. See, here 4 is in unit place or ones place. So 4 into, see here what you read, what you are going to write? 4 into 1. 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. Next, place value of 8, that is equal to, what is the answer? Tell me. 8 into 1 see, 8 is in tens place. So 8 into 10. 8 into 10, that is equal to 80. Next, place value of 9. What is the answer? 9 into 9 is in hundreds place. So 9 into 100, that is equal to 900. Okay. Next value, place value of 7. 7 is in which place? Thousands place. Yes or no? 7 is in which place? See, next value is 0. 0 is in which place? Thousands place. So anything into 0, anything into 0, that is equal to 0. Next, place value of 7. What is the answer? 7 into 10,000. That is equal to 70,000. Like this, you are going to calculate the place value and face value in numerals or number system. Okay. Next, place value of 0. Next, various types of numbers. Types of numbers. First one what? Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers in the sense what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers means what? Anybody tell me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, see, integers. Integers means what? Tell me. Integers means positive integers will be there, negative integers will be there. Positive integers means what? Positive integers means what? Positive integers is equal to, tell me, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Negative integers means okay. Next, -1, -2, minus 3 comma and so on and so on. Okay. Next, all non-negative means, see, positive integers, negative integers is all all non-negative, all non-negative, all non-negative integers means all I mentioned. That's why what happens, 0 comma 1 comma 2 non-negative, that means positive values and so on we will get. Okay, and one more thing is all non-negative. Next, even numbers. Even numbers in the sense, tell me, which is divisible by 2 is called a even number. Divisible by 2 is called a even numbers. What are the even numbers? 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma and so on. Next, odd numbers. Odd numbers means what? Which is not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. See, 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9, okay, comma 11 comma 13 and so on are called odd numbers. Next, prime numbers. Prime numbers means what? Tell me. Prime numbers means what? It has exactly two factors. It has exactly two factors. It has exactly two factors. Okay, it has exactly two factors. Namely itself and one. Namely itself and one. Namely itself and one. That means that number and one. That is called a prime number. See, we will see. Okay. All prime numbers I want less than 100. I want all prime numbers, all prime numbers less than 100. I want less than 100. I want prime numbers means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 11, 13, 15. 13, sorry, 11, 13, next 17, next 19, next 23, next 23 after 29, next 31, next and so on. Okay, I need to explain everything. See, what is meant by prime number? It has exactly two factors, namely itself and one. Itself means, see, for suppose I have a number called 1. When it is called a prime number, it has two factors, namely itself. Itself means 1 into 1. See, 1 means what? 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So, namely itself means 1. That particular number. Namely itself means that particular number. And 1. So, 1 into 1. That's why 1. So, 1 is called a prime number. See, why 3 is called a prime number? Namely itself means that particular number and 1. So 1 into 3. See, 1 is namely itself means that particular number. So 3 is there and 1 is there. So that is called a prime number. Next, 5. Like that only. Namely itself and 1. So namely itself means particular number and 1. That is why it is called a prime number. Like this is called a prime number. Next, composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers means what? Which are not prime. Which are not prime numbers. Which are not prime. And these are called composite numbers, and it has more than two factors. It has more than two factors. This is called composite numbers. For example, For example, see, 4 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there. More than 2 fact, 2 means what? 2 into 1, comma 1 into 2. In two ways we are checking also 1 comma 2 only we will get. But here it is asking what? More than 2 factors. That's why 2 is not a composite number. 4 we will check. 4 is equal to 1 into 4. Next 2 into 2. Next 4 into 1. Yes or no? 4 into 1. Here 1 comma 2 comma 4. That means 3 factors are there. 3 factors are there. That too which are not prime. 4 is a prime number? No. Why it is not a prime number? Prime number means 4 and 1 should be there. But I have 1, 2, 4, 3 are there. That's why it is not a prime number. So, which are not prime satisfied and has more than 2 factors. Here, 1, 2, 4 are there. More than 2 factors. That's why 4 is a composite number. Like this, you have to calculate. Okay. Next, perfect number. Perfect numbers. Next one is perfect numbers. Perfect numbers in the sense what? A number, the sum of whose factors except the number itself is equal to the number is called perfect numbers. I will tell you. See, 6. I am taking 6. 6 means what? 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Next, 3 into 2. Next, 6 into 1. 6 into 1. When it is called a perfect number, see, here what are the values you are getting? 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 6 you are getting, right? But when it is called a perfect number means that particular number except the number C. A number is called a perfect number. The sum of whose factors? See, the sum of these are the factors. Okay, the sum of whose factors. Sum of whose factors except the number itself, except the number itself, except the number itself, okay, except the number itself is equal to the number, is equal to the, is equal to the, is equal to the number is called a perfect number. Except the number, what is the number here? 6. So except the number, that means apart from 6, what are the factors are there? 1 plus, what are the factors are there? Sum of those factors, sum of whose factors? So 4 factors are there, but except the number itself. So 6 I am taking now, except that number, leave this number and add 1 plus 2 plus 3. When we adding remaining factors, it must be equal to the number. That means it must be equal to the 6. Then it is called a perfect number. Then it is called a perfect number. Next, co-primes. Co-primes or relative primes. Co-primes are relative primes. Two numbers whose HCF, say, two numbers whose HCF, H dot, C dot, F, whose HCF is 1 are called co-primes. That means HCF means highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. I will tell you. Highest common factor. HCF means common highest common factor. Okay. See, I will tell you. I am taking two values. Okay. HCF of 8 and 12 I am taking. 8 and 12 I am taking. I am taking two numbers 8 and 12. Factors of 8 what? Factors of 8 what? 1 into 8. Okay. 2 into 4. Okay. Next. 4 4 into next 4 into 2, next 8 into 1. So check this common fact. What are the factors? Not 2 times 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. Next factors of 12 also you can find out. What are the factors of 12? Tell me. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. Okay. 12 means what? 1 into 12. Next 2 into 6. Next 3 into 4. Next 4 into 3. Next 2 into 6 into 2. Next 12 into 1. What are the common factors here? What are the factors? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. See, not repeated values. Single value you are taking. Okay. Here factors of 8 means 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. In these both factors of 8 and 12, what are the common factors? Common factors what? Common factors in both this value 1, 2, 4, 8. Here 1, 2, 4, 8 is not there. So common factors is 1 comma 2 comma 4. Both see in factors of 8 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. This is the value here. Here this is the value. In both 1 2 4 8 1 2 3 6 4 8, what are the common values? 1 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there, 3 is there, so leave it. 8 is there, 8 is not there, leave it. But 4 is there here, here 4 is there. That's why 1 2 4 I am taking. Okay. See, in this, what is the highest value? What is the highest value? HCF means highest common factor. What is the highest value? What is the highest value? Tell me. 4 is the highest value. 4 is the highest value. That's why it. But when we call co-prime, two numbers 8 and 12. Whose HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor is what here? 4 we are getting. What is the highest value here? After common factoring, 4. But whose HCF is 1, then it is called co-prime. So 8 and 12 are not co-primes. 8 and 12 are not 8 and 12 are not 8 and 12 are not co-primes. 8 and 12 are not co-primes. Okay. Now you understand co-primes, right? I will show you co-primes example. Co-primes means what? Tell me. Co-primes means what? Co-primes, see, HCF and GCD both are same. See, 2 comma 3 I am taking. 2 numbers I am taking. 2 comma 3. 2 factors what? Factors of 2 is equal to 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Okay, that is equal to 1 comma 2. 2 times, single time what is the value? That we will write. Next 3 is equal to 1 into 3 space 3 into 1. That is equal to 1 comma 3. Why? See, 2 times 2. That's why 1 time I am writing. 1 in 1, 2 times 1. 1 time I am writing. Like that. Here also 1 comma 3 I am writing. What are the common factor here? Common factor what? In both values 2 and 3. 1 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. These are different values. 1 and 1 are common value. So that is the common factor. Next, highest common factor is 1. In that common value, what is the highest value? Only 1 is there. That's why that is the value. Now, see, two numbers means 2 and 3. Whose highest common factor is 1? What is the value here? Common factor value 1 only. So then these are called as so tell me 2 comma 3 are called co-primes. Okay, like this you are going to calculate co-primes. Next, what is the example of next one is twin primes. Twin primes means what? Two number. Twin primes means what? Two prime numbers. Prime numbers whose difference is whose difference is whose difference is two. Whose difference is two are called twin primes are called twin primes. For example, 3 comma 5 is there. 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. That's why two prime numbers whose difference is 2. 5 minus 3 what? 2 is the difference. These are called twin primes. Next, like this 5 comma 7. 5 comma 7. 5 and 7 both are prime numbers and the difference is 2. That is called twin prime. Next one is 11 comma 13. 11 and 13 both are primes and the difference is 2. These are called twin primes. Next, rational numbers. Next one is rational numbers. Rational numbers means what? Numbers which can be expressed. Numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Are called rational numbers. That means what it means? Tell me, anybody? Here P means what? Numerator. Q means what? Denominator. Okay. Suppose for example 3 by 4. Here P is 3, Q is 4. Okay. P is 3, Q is 4. And here Q are integers. And Q not equal to 0. Here Q is 0? No. Q is 4. That is called a rational number. And minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. P is equal to minus 5. Q is equal to 2. So these are called rational numbers. Okay. Integers means what? See. P and Q are integers means minus values also. Integers means what? Minus values to. Integers means what? Minus values to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are nothing but integers. Okay. But condition should be Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0 also you need to satisfy. Then only it is rational number. Okay. Examples means what? 8 by 11. See. 8 by 11. This is also valid rational number only. Minus 2 by 3. This is also valid rational number only. 0 is a rational or irrational? Tell me. It is also rational. Why it is rational means valid. Yes. Why it is rational? If nothing is there, see numerator 0 is there. Sir, what is the denominator here? Denominator is not giving anything. Then Q not equal to 0 only. Q not equal to 0. See, Q not equal to 0. Sir, nothing is given, then I will treat as 0. Denominator means no. Internally 0 by 1 it is treated as. Okay. 0 means 0 by 1 only. Okay. So Q not equal to 0. So here Q is not 0. That's why it is a rational number only. That's why it is a rational number only. This is also an example they are going to ask you in tests, in aptitude tests. Okay. Next, 6 is also a rational number only. Okay. 6 by 1. Anything single value they are giving, only p value they are giving, they are not giving any q value, means internally q value is 1, it is not equal to 0, so it is a rational number only, so it is a rational number only. Okay, next 5 also rational number only, 5 also rational number, if nothing, and if q value they are not giving, means 5 by 1, 5 by 1 means 5 only. Okay, so it is a rational number only. Okay, every integer is a also a rational number only, every integer is also, every integer is also a rational number only, a rational number only, every integer is also a rational number only. See what is meant by next one, next one, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, irrational numbers means what? Numbers which can be expressed in decimal would be in non-terminating and terminating. See, this is nothing but a number which can be expressed in number can be expressed in decimal, number can be expressed in decimal, would be in, would be in non-terminating, non-terminating and non-repeating, non-repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating are called rational numbers. Okay, that I will tell you. Non-terminating means I will tell you, non-repeating means I will tell you. Non-terminating means decimal is going to never ends. Non-terminating means decimal, decimal never ends, decimal never ends. For example, 0.10 by 3 you are taking, 0.333 and so on you are going to get, here it is going to end, no, that's why it is nothing but a non-terminating. This is also example of irrational numbers. See, non-repeating we will see, non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating, these are called irrational numbers. Terminating, repeating, those are called rational numbers. Non-repeating in the sense 0.213. Okay. Non-repeating means here 7 is there. Again 7 means repeating. But here it is non-repeating. Repeating is there in rational numbers. In irrational numbers, non-repeating values of different values, not same values. That is nothing but a random digits they are taking. That is nothing but a non-repeating. So never ends and never repeats. This is called irrational number. Pi is an irrational number because 3.14 something value it is going to return, 3.1415 some random value it is going to return. Next, square root of 2. Square root of 2 means what? Square root of 2, what it is going to display 1.1, 1.414, okay, 1.414, 213, 1.4123, 41423 something, it is going to display. This is called what? This is called irrational numbers. This is called irrational numbers. Next, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, everything is irrational number. Never ends, never repeating. These are called irrational number. Rational numbers means it is going to repeat and it is going to it is going to repeat and it is going to end. That is nothing but it is going to terminate. That is called rational numbers. Next, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Why I am saying this one? Natural numbers means one. Natural means what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, these are called whole numbers, but whole numbers are not natural numbers. Why? Whole numbers means it starts with 0. It starts with 0. That's why all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers, because whole numbers means it starts with 0. Okay, next, even 0 is also a whole number, not a natural number. Even plus even what? Even plus even what happened? If you give even plus even is equal to what? Even will come. Vice are means even number means what? 2 is an even number. 2 plus 2 what? 4 is the value. 4 is nothing what? even number. Okay, like this you have to calculate. Odd plus odd what? Odd means 1. 3 also odd. 1 plus 3 is equal to what? 4. 4 is nothing but a even. Like this you can calculate even plus even, odd plus odd. Next, even plus odd, what it is going to written? Even plus odd. Even means 2. Odd means 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 3. 3 means odd. Like this you are going to calculate. You are going to calculate the sum of even plus odd plus odd, even plus odd plus odd is equal to this is how you are going to calculate the values. Smallest prime number is what? Smallest prime number is what? Smallest prime number is what? 2. Smallest prime number is 2. Okay, next, only even prime number also 2. Only even prime number is also 2. First odd number is what? First odd. First odd prime number. First odd prime number is what? 1, 3. Okay, 3 is the first odd prime number. Okay, next, 1 is the unique number. 1 is a unique number. Unique number. Neither composite, neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. Okay, next, least composite number is what? More than 2 factors. Least composite number is what? 4. 4 is the least composite number. Least odd composite number? Odd. Least odd composite number. Odd composite number what? Odd composite number what? Is 9. Is 9. Okay. Next, I will tell you one thing. How to test a number should be prime or not? How to test a number should be test a number to be prime. How to test a number to be prime? How you are going to test a number should be prime or not? That I will tell you. See, if you want to test a number to be prime, okay, we have to follow one rule. Suppose let P be a given number. Let P be a given number. This means P is equal to 137. I am taking. P is equal to 137. I am taking. Okay. Let N be the smallest counting number. P is equal to 137. I am taking. Let N be the smallest counting number such that n square greater than or equal to p, such that n square greater than or equal to p. That means find a number. That means find a number n whose square is find a number n whose square is greater than or equal to p. Greater than or equal to p. I will tell you, no need to worry. Okay, in simple words, n is equal to square root of p. N is equal to square root of p. Okay, next, what you are doing here? Test whether p is divisible by c. Next rule, test whether p is divisible by any prime number. Any prime numbers less than or equal to n. This means check division only by prime numbers up to n. By prime numbers I will tell up to n. Okay. If divisible, if divisible, then not prime, not prime. Otherwise, prime. These things you need to follow to check whether the number to be prime or not. See, first, in simple, I will tell you. First, you will check p value is 137. Square root of 137 what? 12 12 into 12 how much? 144. So square root of 137 is equal to it, almost it is nearer to 144, that's why it's almost nearer to 12. 130 square root of 137 means what? Square root of 137 means what? Tell me. Square root of 137 is equal to what? Almost or 11.7. So n is equal to 12 approximately. Next whole number it is going to take. Next whole number what? After 11.7 means next what is the value? Almost equal to 12. C value it is going to take. Next whole number it is going to take. Next, see, I am taking as 137. 137 means I am taking square root. Nearest value I am taking. So 12 plus 144. 144 is the nearest value to 137. So square root of 137 is equal to 11.7. That is almost a next whole number, that is equal to 12 I am taking. Up to now it is fine. This is the step 1 you are, this is the step 1 you are doing. Okay. Hence this is the step 1 you are doing. Next what you are doing? Tell me. N square. Next what you are doing? Tell me. Tell me what you are doing. So n is equal to 2 you are getting right here. Next, prime numbers less than or equal to 12. What are the prime numbers before 12? What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 13 also prime number, but before 12 only we are going to take, because here we are getting the value as 12. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 only came. Next what happens? Check divisibility. Divisibility you need to check. Divisibility you need to check. 137 divided by, what is the divided symbol here? Where it is in system. 137 divided by 2. 2, 6, 12, 1, 2, 8, 16, 1. Remainder it is satisfied. 0 is, you will get remainder 0. No. So it is not satisfied. Like that you are going to calculate 137 percentile 3. This is also not getting remainder. So not satisfied. Like that 137 percentile 5. Here also no. Next 137 percentile 7. Here also no. 137 percentile 11. Here also no. So this condition, it is not divisible by any number. If it is not divisible by any number, then what? Division only prime numbers up to n. If divisible, then not prime. Otherwise prime. In this case 137 is a prime number. Why it is prime? It is not divisible by any prime numbers before 12. That's why it is prime. Okay, like this you are going to calculate whether the number is prime or not. Okay, I will tell you one more example, then you can get not a prime also. I will tell you. See, 131 next value I am taking as 173. 173 means around 14 fours how much? 196. Around nearest value 14, 14, 13, 13 is 169, but it is 173. Next 14, 14, 14, 14 is what? 44, 64, 14, 14, 4, 64, 14, 1, 14. See, 14, 14 is 256, no? 14 into 14. How much? Calculate. 14 into 14. 14 4s 96. 14 1s 14 9. 14 9 23. 14 9 23. 236. That's why 14 is the nearest value because it is 236. Okay. 236. So n is equal to nearest value 14. Actually, square root of 130, square root of 173 what? Square root of 173 what? 13 point something it will come. 13.15. 13.15. So approximately next value what? Next whole number is what? 14. 14 it is going to get. 14 it is going to get. Prime numbers below 14 what? Prime numbers below 14. Below 14 what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. After before 14, these are the numbers. Next you can check 137, 173 percentile divided by 2, not percentile, divided by symbol here it is not there in the system. No, divided by 2. Here also divided by, not percentile, sorry. I have taken divided by symbol. Divided by, okay, like that. Here 137 divided by 2, no. Like this, one time 173 divided by 3, no. 173 divided by 5, no. 173 divided by 7, no. 173 divided by 11, no. 173 divided by 13, no. If none of the divisors are divisible, then 173 is prime number. If it is remainder 0, then it is not a prime number. Okay, next we will take 319. For 319, it is square root of 319 is equal to what? Around 17.8 square root. Okay, 17.8 means next whole value number value is 18. Okay, before prime numbers below 18 what? Below 18 what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, okay, 13, 15, okay, next 15 is divisible, 13, 17, these are the prime numbers. Okay, you can check 319 divided by 2, 319 divided by 3, remainder 0 you will get. Whether it is divisible or not you can check. For 2 also no, see, for 3 also no, for 3 also no, but and so on. 5 also you can check, 7 also you can check, 11 also you can check. See, for 11 yes, it is divisible. 11 11 months 11 11 to 22, 22 means 9, 11 9 is 99. So by 11 it is going to divisible. So when it is divisible by 11, it is not a divisible by 11, then it's not a prime. And now you understand, right? I already showed the examples related to the prime and not a prime. Okay, next we will see. Okay, these are the different things. I already explained you so many things. Okay, next I will tell you what is meant by. You already know these examples, right? You already know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab, Next, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Like that, these formulas you already know, right? Next, tests of divisibility. Tests of divisibility. This unit, these are very important. Okay. When it is divisible by 2, when you said a number is divisible by 2, hmm? how you told, see, this is the number, whether it is divisible by 2 or not, how you can say, if a number is divisible by 2 means its unit digits is any of 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, then only you can say that this number is divisible by 2. See, you can see this number, and this is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Why? Its unit digit means this one is of any of these numbers. Yes, here 4 is there, no, here also 4 is there, no, that's why it is divisible by 2. Suppose I am taking another number 86945. This is divisible by 2? No. If its unit digits should be 02468, it should not be 5. So not divisible by 2. Okay. Next, when you said that a number is divisibility by 3, when you said a number is divisibility by 3, sum of digits is divisible by, and the sum of digits is divisible by 3. For example, 695421, 6 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus, sorry, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 2 26, 26 plus 1 27, 3 into 3 nines 27. So it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Like this, you can add all the digits and then some number you will get. 27 I am getting. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, we can check. If it is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by, otherwise it's not divisible by 3. Like that. Next, divisibility by 9. 9 you will check. How you can say whether the number is divisible by 9 or not? See, sum of digits, same thing. Here also you can add, and then like 3, whatever you are doing, same thing you need to do. Like this, same example. For 9 also, same thing. Adding all the digits, and then you can check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Divisible means, say 9 is 27. So it is divisible. Otherwise, it's not divisible. Next, divisibility by 4. When you said this number is divisible by 4, see, if the number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So for example, last 2 digits, it can check last 2 digits divisible by 4. Last 2 digits divisible by 4. For example, 6897376. Last 2 digits. 76 is divisible by 4 or not? You can check. 4 ones 4, 3 is there, 36, 4 nines 36. So this is divisible by 4. So it's correct. So it's satisfied. Okay, like last 2 digits you can take, and then you can check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Next, divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. 8 also you can check. A number is divisible by 8 if the number found by last 3 digits it can take. 4 means last 2 digits. See, 4 means whether the number is divisible by 4 or not means last 2 digits. But 8 means last 3 digits it will take. Last 3 digits it will take. I will show you an example. See, 1 6 7 8 9 3 5 2. 9352. See, last three digits it is taking 9352. It is divisible by 8 or not, it is checking. Last 352 is divisible by 8 or not. 352 is divisible by 8 or not. 4 means last 2. 3 8 means 8 is divisible means last 3. 8 fours 32. Again 3 is there. 8 fours 32. So divisible. So S. Last two digits means 4. It is divisible by 4 or not, we can check it. Last three digits means it is divisible by 8 or not, we can check it. 9 means some of the digits like 3 also. 2 means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 last units digit it is going to. Next, divisibility by 10. When you can say a number is divisible by 10, divisible by 10. When you can say a number is divisible by 10, tell me. When its units digit is 0, see that means 7, 8, 4, 9, 3, 2, 0 is there. 3, 2, 0 is there. Whenever last units digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Yes. Otherwise, same number I am giving, but last value is not, units digit is not 0. It in this place I am giving 3 or something, then it is not divisible by 10. Then it is not divisible by, only last digit is 0, then only it is divisible by 10. Okay. Next, divisibility by 5. When it is divisible by, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 5. When you can say a number is divisible by 5, tell me. A number is divisible by 5 when its units digits are, see, 6 8 6 8 790. Okay. When you say a number is divisible by 4, when you, this number is divisible by 5 or not, how you can say, if units digit is 0, like 10, like 10 also 0, no, it is 0, then it is divisible by 10. But in 5 it is 0, it is divisible by 5. It is 5, then it is divisible by 5. 6 8 7 9 5 is there, then also it is divisible by 5. Last unit digit should be 0 or 5, it will take 0 or 5, then only 0 or 5. But in, when it is 10, here only unit digit is 0. Okay. Last digit, unit digit. Okay. Next, this is how you are going to check the number whether it is divisible by 2 or 3 or 9 or 4 or 8 or 10. Next, a number is divisible by 11. When the number is divisible by 11, you can say whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. How you can say, if the difference between sum of digits at odd places and even places is either 0 or a number is divisible by 11, is either 0 or a number is divisible by 11. For suppose 2 9 4 3 5 4 1 7 I am taking. Odd places means what? Here left, here what you are going to take is right to left, you are going to, right to left you are going to take. See, right to left you are going to take. Okay. First means it is 0th place, 1's place, 2's place, 3's place, like that. Okay. First, odd places values I am taking. See, 1, this is the 1, it is not 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So odd, odd places means what? 7 is an odd. After 7 again, when is odd? 4 is an odd. Again 4, what is an odd? 7 1 4 5. 3 is an odd. Again 3, what? When is an odd? 9 is an odd. Okay. 7 4 3 9. Sum of digits at odd places plus even places. Even places means what? 1 is a even. After 7, odd after even, odd after even. Next, next 4. Next what? 2. Okay. Then what is the answer? 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 7, 23 minus 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 12. 23 minus 12, how much? 11. Okay. Then which is divisible by? Divisible by 11 ones 11. So this is known as, this is how you are going to divisible by 11. Okay. Is either 0 also you can get also, no problem. 0 or number divisible by 11 you can get. Okay, that's how you are going to divisible by 11. Next, divisibility by 25. Divisibility by 25. How you can say number is divisible by 25? How you can say the number formed by last two digits, last two digits must be 0 or 0 or 5. 0 or divisible by 0 are divisible by 25. Last two digits. Last two digits. Last two digits. Okay. Last two digits. Last two digits we have to check. See, I will tell you. If a number 63875 is the number. Last two digits what? Last two digits what? 75. Units 10 place. 75. 75 is divisible by 25 or not? 25 3 by 25. That is equal to 3. Yes or no? It is divisible by 25. So, yes. This is how your last two digits is either 00 or, see, I am taking some other number 96. I am taking some other number 96445. Last two digits 45. 45 is divisible by 25. No. By 25. No. I will take one more example 86800. If it is either 00, then condition satisfied. Last should be 00 or divisible by 25. Next, divisible by 7 or 13. When you said a number is divisible by 7 or 13, tell me. Divide the number into C. 4 5 7 3 4 5 3 7 4 5 3 7 7 9 2. 4 5 3 7 792. 792 is the number. See, we can divide the number into groups of 3 digits. Okay, first, last from left to right, from right to left. 792. 792 is one number. Next, 537. 537 is one number. Okay. After that, what is the number pending? 4 only. Okay. This is how. Then what we will do? Then find the difference between sum of numbers in even on odd places. If the difference is 0, is divisible by 7 or 13, any case maybe it is okay. That's why what we need to do means, see, this is an odd number. First you need to take, this is an even number, this is an odd number. Okay. Then what we need to do? 792. Take only odd numbers. Take only odd numbers like this. Like this example. Take only odd numbers. 792 plus 4. What is the value? Minus 537. Only even numbers. Odd numbers you take and then even numbers you take and then you can subtract. Then what is the value you are going to get here? 259. 259 is divisible by 7 or not? Yeah, but not is divisible by 7 or not? Like that you can check. 259, 7 3 is 21, 4 7 4 7 4 7 7 is 49. So it is divisible by 7. It is divisible. But 13 it is divisible. 13 1 13, 13 2 is 26. So 13 1 129. It's not divisible by 13. By 13 not. By 7 it is divisible. By 13 it is not divisible by 13. Okay. Next, like that we will do. Okay. Next, divisibility by 16. Divisibility by 16. Divisibility by 16. You need to check whether a number is divisible by 16 or not. If the number formed by last 4 digits, you need to check. 4 means last 2 digits, 8 means last 3 digits, 16 means last 3 digits we have to take. That means, for example, for suppose 6 4 6 3 7 7 6 is there, means what you need to do, last 4 digits what, 3 7 7 3 7 3776. Whether it is by 16, you have to divisible. 16 to 32, 32 means 5, 16 3 is 40, 9, so 16 6 96. So yes, it is divisible. Like this you need to check last 3 digits, last 4 digits, and then next divisibility is 6. When you said a number is divisibility by 6, when you said a number is divisible by 6, if the number is divisible by 200, then it is divisible by 6. Okay, divisible by both 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Next, when a number is divisible by 12, tell me, a number is divisible by 12. If it is divisible by both 3 and 4. If both 3 and 4 it is divisible by that number, then it is divisible by 12. Next, divisible by 15. When a number is said to be divisible by 15, a number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. Both 3 and 5. Next, a number is divisible by 18. When a number is said to be divisible by 18, a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 2 and 9. Both 2 and 9. Okay. Next, when a number is divisible by 14, both a number is divisible by 14 only if both 2 and 7. It is divisible by both 2 and 7. A number is divisible by 24 when it is divisible by both 3 and 8. Both 3 and 8. A number is divisible by 40 when it is divisible by both 5 and 8. Next, a number is divisible by 80 when it is divisible by both 5 and 16. 5 and 16. Okay, this is how you are going to do these things. Next, factorial of a number, how you can find out factorial of a number is equal to n factorial is equal to n factorial is equal to what you need to write, n into n minus 1, n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 2 into, and so on up to 3 2 1. Like that you are going to write. 5 factorial means what? 5 factorial means what? 5 into 4 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 5 4 20 23 60 62 120. Okay, next, like this you are going to do what you are going to do, you are going to do the C. Next, like this what you are going to do, you are going to calculate the 1 factorial means what? 1 only. See, main thing is 1 factorial means what? See, n into n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. So n is equal to 1 means what? 1 factorial means 1 factorial is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. So 1 factorial is equal to what happens? What happens? 1 into 0 factorial. 1 into 0 factorial, right? That is equal to what? We already know 1 factorial is equal to 1. We already know 1 factorial is equal to, we already know 1 factorial is equal to 1. So replace this 1 factorial plus 1. 1 is equal to 0 factorial. That means 0 factorial is equal to 1, 1. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Okay. Like that you are going to calculate. 0 factorial means not 0. 0 factorial means 1. That's why for that purpose I am showing to you. Okay. Next, what we need to do? See, when a number is positive or 0, that means x greater than or equal to 0. Then for suppose modulus of 4, modulus of 4, what is the answer? Modulus of 4, that is equal to answer what? 4 only. Modulus of 0, that is equal to answer what? 0 only. When a number is positive or greater than x greater than or equal to 0. When a number is negative, then what happens? X greater than or equal to 0. When a number is positive, these things happen. When a number is negative, what happens? We will see. Then 5 you are going to get. Modulus of -1 also you are going to get 1. Okay. Modulus means distance from 0. Distance is always positive. Okay. For negative values it is going to take positive value. This is also called floor values. Okay. Next, for suppose if the number less than or equal to 1.35, 1.35, then what is the value it is going to take? See, find the largest number that is less than or equal to given number, not greater than it, less than or equal to given number. I am giving one number 1.35. Okay. Largest numbers less than or equal to 1.35, numbers less than or equal to 1.35. What are the numbers less than or equal to 1.35? 1, 0, -1. These are the numbers. So, what is the value that you need to take here? Floor value you need to take. Floor value means if 1.35 is there, floor value. C means 1.35 means you have to take. So, floor value of 1.35 means 1 you have. 1 is the answer. C means 1.35 means 2 is the answer. Okay. So, I will take -1.5. -1.5 I will take. Then -1.5 less than numbers less than 1.5 what? Numbers less than or equal to -1.5 what? -1.5 what? -2, -2, comma, -3 and so on. Yes, and so on. So, which is the greatest one? Which is the greatest one? -2 or -3? -2 is the greatest one. So it is taking -2 as the answer. Okay. 11 by 2 take. 11 by 2 means 5.5. Then which is the greatest value it is taking? It is the floor. Floor means see less than. I will show you. 11 by 2 that is equal to 5.5. Less than 5.5 means 5, 4 and so on. Okay. In this, which is the greatest? Nearest 5.5 floor means 5 is the answer. Seal means 6 is the answer. Like this you are going to do things. Next what you need to do? Tell me. These are the things you need to remember in your mind always. Okay. Next, This is about number system and so many things are there. This is the demo class. That's why I will just give you an overview of the number systems. These things you have to keep in your mind, and then in further, if you want further sessions, then you have to go to. This is my website. This is my website name, Udayit dot great hyphen site dot net. This is my website, and at the rate Udayit Academy is my YouTube channel. Is my YouTube channel. This is the demo class. That's why I am just giving you an overview of number system. So many concepts are there. I will teach you everything from basics to advanced, along with placement papers also. By learning these things, you can able to handle any type of government jobs also. In each and every topic, I will take care of you everything from basics to advanced. Okay, no need to worry at all. If you still have any doubts, you can call me or message me or chat me. This is my phone number. This is my phone number. If you still have any doubts, you can call me and ask me. I will show you my website. See, there aptitude and reasoning is not there. CRT it is showing instead of aptitude reason. I will add today. No need to worry at all. See here, go to here, give your full name, email address, password, and then confirm password, and then you can create account, and then go to login. After creating an account, you can give your username and password. Then you can go to home, and then you can enroll. See, CRT it is there. CRT. I mentioned that name as CRT. I will create separately aptitude and reasoning. CRT is there, not there. Okay, I will check it. See, these are the courses. You can refer your friends also. I am teaching agentic AI, AMS, artificial intelligence, AWS. I have 16 years of experience in IT field in all the technologies. Okay. See, next I will show you where you need to go. Whatever the technology you are interested, you can learn. Okay. Next. Okay, I will show you. Okay, by mistake it's deleted. Okay, I will add and I will show you. No need to worry at all. Otherwise, you can call me if you want to pay the fees. See, this is the campus recruitment, right? See, this you need to click campus recruitment training. 6,999 after discount. You are going to pay the fees. You can see once you can create a sign up free, and once you can log in the details, then campus recruitment training you can enroll it. See, start learning today. Enroll now. Here you need to enroll by using login name and username. There inside you can you can give your name and everything. You can register and then you can pay the fees. Before paying the fees, you can call me. You can call if you are interested. You can call to my number also. My number is already I posted you in the. See, this is my number 8143279660, and this is my website name also. See here, go down, go to home, campus recruitment training. I mentioned there. See, go down. This is my phone number 8143279660, and this is my email ID uday85@gmail.com. Okay, contact me if you want full course. Then you have to pay the fees, and then you can join in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow's session, I am going to send you the link, Zoom link, a web link related to the meeting. So thank you everybody. It's nice, miss. It was a nice meeting to all of you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Bye.